Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahmat from class 11-7. On this video, I will explain about exposition text for pengayaan. So, let's go to the video. Choose.
Okay guys, today explain about the exposition text. What is the exposition text? Exposition is a text that elaborates the writer's idea about the phenomenon surrounding. Jadi, exposition text adalah teks yang menguraikan gagasan penulis tentang fenomena yang terjadi di sekitarnya. Next is before that I will explain about exposition text is have two type. First is analytical exposition and two is hortatory exposition. Firstly, I will explain about analytical exposition. What is analytical exposition? Analytical exposition is an exposition text that begins with a statement from the author to show their attitude and position in response to an issue or them to be discussed. Jadi, analytical exposition adalah teks yang dimulai dengan pernyataan dari penulis untuk melihatkan sikap dan posisinya terhadap suatu respon isu dari yang akan diskusikan. Social function analytical exposition to convince the reader that the topic presented are important topic to be discussed. Jadi fungsi dari analytical exposition sendiri adalah untuk mempengaruhi pembaca untuk bahwa topik yang disampaikannya adalah topik yang penting. Next, there is a example from the analytical exposition. First is speech, two is newspaper article, three essay, four letter. Next, generic structure from the analytical exposition. One is title, tells about the topic. Two is thesis, the point to be discussed in the text. Jadi poin-poin yang akan didiskusikan dalam teks atau bisa dinyatakan pernyataan umum, pendapat umum dulu. Yang three is arguments, pendapat dari penulis. And fourth is reiteration, author's closing or conclusion on the entire topic discussed at the beginning. Jadi berisi penutup atau kesimpulan dari penulis dari semua topik yang dibahas di awal. Next is language feature. First is using present tense to use mental verbs, I agree, etc. Using saying first, people say. 4 is using connection word, firstly, however. 5 using casual conjunction, because. 6 use vocabularies to express writer's expression, think, must, try, need, important, and so on and so forth. 7 use vocabularies which will provoke audience emotion, concern, emotion, unreasonable. Okay, now we are in the hortatory exposition. What is hortatory exposition? Hortatory exposition is a type of the text or persuasive oral material often used to explain whatever something is permissible to do. From that purpose, we can have a conclusion difference between analytical exposition and hortatory exposition. Analytical exposition text itself aims to make the reader aware the existence of an issue. Meanwhile, hortatory exposition aims to force the reader to agree with the message and convey it. In addition, there are also differences in the structure of the text. Jadi perbedaan antara dua jenis text exposition ini adalah yang pertama, analytical exposition itu sendiri bertujuan untuk membuat pembaca menarik perhatian pembaca tentang suatu isu, sedangkan hortatory exposition itu berfokus atau bertujuan untuk membuat pembaca setuju dengan pesan yang disampaikan oleh penulis. Ada juga perbedaan dari struktur antara keduanya. Nah, berikut perbedaan strukturnya. Generic structure from the author exposition. One is thesis. In the thesis, in the form of author opinions relate to a topic being discussed. Jadi tesis ini berisi tentang pendapat penulis yang relate tentang topik yang akan diskusikannya. Yang kedua ada argumen. The argument is contains principal opinions that support the main idea. Jadi berisi pendapat yang mendukung gagasan utama. Yang ketiga ada recommendation, provide suggestion to listener and readers. Berisi kata-kata yang mempengaruhi pembaca atau pendengar. Nah, next I have one example from the author exposition. The title is Why Should We Continue Our Study to Our University? Nowadays, education has become the way to make people human. Is believed to develop people's minds are sharpen their skill and aptitude. It can give them opportunity to store knowledge and improvement in their life. In this era, everything grows fast and competition becomes a culture in many fields. Globalization demands people survive to competition. It's undeniable that to get a better salary and job, people need to meet the qualification, and education or any degree is always first on the list. Therefore, people need to go to university. University does not provide education in terms of knowledge and skill. There are many opportunities to build networking, which is very important to support their career in the future. Due to some reason that I have been explained above, people should continue their study at university as the bright to brighten up their future and a better life. Jadi di sini berisi tentang contoh dari author exposition yang berisi mempengaruhi pembaca. Jadi di paragraph 1 is thesis or the opinion, and not is the paragraph 1 is the on the paragraph 1 on the paragraph 1 is the thesis, is the main idea, argument of the writers about the topic will be. On the paragraph 2 and 3 there is a argument from the writers about the why should we continue our study to university. And on the paragraph 4 is the recommendation the people to come or to should continue their studies at university for the brighten future and the better life. So that's all my explanation or my presentation about exposition text. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.